Yeah, this is USDJPY. All right, that's the United States dollar versus the Japan yen. So that's what you're observing is the 4-hour time frame of this financial market terminal, which is giving us the price of the exchange rate. The current exchange rate reporting is 163.226. Yeah, so let's dive into what happened, why it happened, where it happened, who happened, what. And at the end of it all, these like there are some people who made a better decision with the affairs of this exchange rate. And they turned pips to profits. They turned points to profits. They turned profits to dollars. They turned dollars into accumulation of wealth. And they turned time to money. And welcome to the analysis of. Yeah, that's the best introduction I think I've ever given to a good trade like this. No one knows when it will happen. No one knows how it will happen. But what you're sure of is it will happen, that it did happen. So this is the 4-hour time frame. The market is really bullish. But the most interesting thing is to see how the the buy entry, had held all these orders in 2 sessions, making the most interesting decision here. Could have protected us from taking all these orders within 8 hours of the previous day. The next 8 hours becomes crazy big and engulfing the whole of the continent with orders. All right, so this is quite interesting. The market currently right now is so bullish, and you see our entry is where we engulf all the bearish orders. If this is not the most interesting thing as a trader, talking to traders only who understand that we all are products of the decisions we make. Our profits are just a decision multiplied by the decision mirrored by the profits we make, by the change in points of where we made the decisions from. So where is more important than how much or how, maybe. So where is what you're seeing right now, where we bought? Yeah, this is the most interesting thing God has ever added into everything, and more than 3,000 reasons why I believe that the trading financial markets is the reason why you're watching this video. I want to believe it's possible to take part in an affair of Japan and USA, but you neither speak Japanese nor either being from the West. You don't have a visa, but you're interested in just turning points into profits in your portfolio. Imagine how much of this move has been making money all through for these people. Yeah, so let's see how the week closes. But the turn of events right now, this is the 1-hour time frame. Most of these people are not prepared for such a moment. All right, that's why we're recording this, to give you hope that if you're on the best side, you can see our entry to where the market is currently has contained all the reality of the day. So this is our submission, that it's possible to see the previous entry and know where the next order block can be. Try telling everyone, and those who believe have seen that it's possible to enjoy the rights of understanding the law governing the financial markets, regardless of the location you're in. Yeah, so that's it. See you on the next video.